Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by powering the HP laptop and ensuring the battery is sufficient. This prevents unexpected shutdowns while you test keys. Next, make sure the built-in keyboard is enabled in Windows settings or BIOS so input registers. If keys stick or feel uneven, use compressed air or a soft brush to clear debris. This improves responsiveness. Once done, log into your user account and open a simple text editor so you can immediately verify that keystrokes register as you proceed. Now evaluate everyday use. Type across the top, home, and bottom rows to detect missed keys and note any delayed presses. Check function behavior. Press Fn plus ESC to lock or unlock the function row, and confirm Fn plus F5/F6 changes brightness or other hardware features. HP maps these differently on some models. Practice core shortcuts like Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V for copy-paste and Alt plus Tab to switch apps, so you understand how finish by running HP's built-in diagnostics or HP Support Assistant to capture hardware faults. This gives a clear pass/fail for the keyboard. Make sure keyboard drivers are current via Device Manager and install any pending Windows updates, because software often fixes odd behaviors. If problems persist, connect an external USB keyboard to determine whether the issue is physical or software-related. If the external works, consider keyboard replacement. Troubleshooting tip. If some keys fail intermittently, reseating the keyboard ribbon after power disconnect can resolve loose connections.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.